Continuation of the lesson, the Mughal period about the great ruler Sher Shah, 1542-1545 century. The period from 1542 to 1556 century in India was ruled by Sher Shah Suri after defeating the Mughal army of Humayun. His original name was Farid Khan. He was the son of the Jagirdar of Sasaram in Bihar. He used to look after his father's Jagir, but due to quarrels with his stepmother, he began to work under Afghan ruler of Bihar. He had killed a tiger, so the title of Sher Shah was given to him. He was an ambitious man and he built a large army with the aim of capturing the throne of Delhi. He was a great warrior and defeated the Khokhars, Khokkars, of Malwa, Sindh and Multan. He defeated Maldeo, Maldeo, the rulers of Marwar and Chandelas in Kalinjar. He died in a gunpowder explosion during his attack on Kalinjar in 1545 century. Though he ruled a short period, but he was an able soldier and a good ruler. He made India such a well administered kingdom that the king of Persia and Turan admired it and desired to see it. He always exercised his powers for the benefit of his people. Civil administration of Sher Shah. He divided his empire into smaller units and appointed officers for better rule. The king was the head of authority. Under him, many officials were appointed. The empire was divided into many provinces or sarkars, Sarkars. The province or sarkars were governed by the Munsif, Munsif, who actively used to look after the province. The Munsif was the main tax collector too. Again, sarkars were subdivided into parganas, Parganas, looked after by the Sikdar, Shiqdar. The Sikdar maintained laws and order. And in the Parganas, Amin, he used to keep the records of the income of land. Parganas were again divided into villages. The village was placed under the control of the head man, the Patwari and the Chaudhary. Patwari. Land reforms. Land was measured and graded or divided according to the quality of the soil into good, average, and bad. The tax was fixed at one third of produce and could be paid in cash or in kind. When crops were destroyed due to flood or drought, farmers did not have to pay taxes. Sher Shah introduced patta system or proof of ownership of lands. This system is still in use. Peasants were given soft loans to overcome their difficult times. Soldiers were instructed not to destroy standing crops in the field during the military attacks. He had a great respect for others' religions. Official posts were given to the followers of other religions too. Hindus were given high posts in the government and army. His revenue or finance minister Raja Todar Mal, RajaTodarmal, was a Hindu. Brahmajit Gaur, Brahmajitgaur, was the general who was also Hindu. He was in touch with the peasants or farmers and checked the work of his officials. He believed that a great ruler is always active. He kept well informed of all matters in the empire with the help of very efficient spy systems. Words meaning Jagirdar means who holds Jagir or looks after the village or district. Jagir, a village or district. Gunpowder, an explosive mixture. Explosion, a bursting due to pressure, sudden outburst. Patwari, the official who visits agriculture and keeps accounts or records. Chaudhary, a registrar, an official who keeps the records. Spy, a person who secretly watches and examines the work of others.